Colorful celebration down under. Sydney's Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into a vibrant and unique celebration from Australia, the Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras. This is not just a festival, it's a statement of pride, inclusivity, and unity. So, let's begin our colorful journey. The Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras is an annual event that celebrates the LGBTQ+ community. Founded in 1978, it's one of the world's most famous LGBTQ+ celebrations. The festival includes various events such as parties, performances, and most notably, a parade featuring colorful floats, costumes, and dancers. The very first Mardi Gras in 1978 wasn't just a celebration. It was a protest for gay rights and was met with police violence. Those who participated in the event became known as the 78ers. Over time, the event evolved from a political protest to a global celebration of LGBTQ+ pride, but it still retains its roots in activism and advocacy. The heart of the Mardi Gras celebration is undoubtedly the parade. Thousands gather along Sydney's streets to witness a procession of colorful floats, passionate community groups, and flamboyant performers. Every year, there's a special theme for the parade, encouraging participants to get creative and showcase their unique interpretations. While the parade is a major highlight, the Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras spans several weeks and includes various events like film festivals, art exhibitions, theater performances, and dance parties. These events are not only celebratory but also serve as platforms for the community to discuss important issues, share stories, and come together. And that's a wrap on our journey through the Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras. From its humble and defiant beginnings to the grand spectacle it is today, this event is a testament to the resilience, strength, and vibrancy of the LGBTQ+ community. We hope you enjoyed learning about this captivating celebration. Remember, every culture and community has its unique stories, and it's always a joy to discover them. Until next time, happy learning!